Hello guys. As you know that the Funza Lushaka teaching bursary is around the corner, guys. The application is going to open on 1 October 2025. So guys, to apply, those who are asking themselves that how can I apply, so you could just come to Google Chrome, and then you type Funza Lushaka Bursary 2026, and then as you can check here, you will come and click sorry, and then you will just scroll down until you find the Funza Lushaka Bursary, and then guys, as you can check, it also shows below that first time application, reapplication. If you are first time application, you will just come and click here, first time application, and then